Hey there, since you clicked on this video, I'll assume you are going to go back to Windows 11. So for this video, I currently have Debian 12 on my laptop, but that makes no difference. You can go back to Windows 11 from any OS. Just follow the simple steps. At first, you're going to open your favorite browser, go in and type in Windows 11. From there, you should find the first link up there all the way. It's from the official Microsoft website. There will be 3 categories. Download the middle one called Create Windows 11 Installation Video. Save it, open the exe. I should get a few things ready, and while you open it, grab a snack because it might take a while depending on your specifications. For this, you're going to need a USB driver that's more than 8 gigs. Alright, so you're going to select your language and edition, whatever you prefer. And then click next. So there's going to be SD card and a USB flash drive. I'm going to use a USB flash drive. As you can see here, I previously downloaded with Debian 12, so it's already there. So I'm going to click next, and you should start progressing. After a few while, it should start downloading Windows 11 and cleaning and formatting the USB drive. So whatever you have on a USB drive is basically gone now. Sorry I didn't tell you before, elbozo, skill issue. Anyway, so now your USB drive is ready. And from this step, make sure you click on finish because it will start cleaning again before it closes. This can be a pretty important part, and after that you're done. And then plug in a USB drive with a Windows 11 on it and go to your boot menu, whatever control button it is for your BIOS. For me it's Debian 12. I'm going from a Debian 12, but for any OS it should work. So I'm going to go to my boot menu. There you go, it's asking me which way I want to set up. I'm going to select the boot menu, and there should be like 3 options. Mostly people have like 5, 6. It's a laptop, so there's only 2. I'm going to select my USB flash drive, which has a Windows 11 on it, and it should start booting in. It may take a while, so sit back and relax, get some snacks. Alrighty, from here, it will ask you which Windows you want, what kind of language and stuff. Just click next, and the setup should be starting. There you go. From here, just accept the terms and regulations. There you go, and next. Alright, this page is important. Just know that the bottom one will clean your PC all the way through. There will be nothing left, just formatting it. The top one will keep your old files. For my case, I don't have that many files, so I'm just gonna go for the total format. From here, there's gonna be disks. Disk partitions is very important. So in this part, most people will have this problem. This thing. So it says you have to convert a file, blah blah, all that stuff. Actually, this part may suck for some people who want to keep their files, but I will leave a link down in the description below for you to watch it if you want to keep your file, that is. But for those who want to start anew, this is a very easy part. Then click Shift F10 and write disk part. It should start up partitioning the disk, and then from there just write list disk, and it should list out all the disks currently in your computer. From there, I'm going to select disk 0, which is the biggest one, and I will click clean. Just write clean, and it should clean up the whole thing. And now just write exit and get out of the thing. Alright, so make sure to go back all the way so it just refreshes itself, and it will show some unallocated space for you to install. And from here we install again, move on, the setup is starting, wait a bit. And after, when it's downloading, go through the same thing again, hit next, and I'm going to select number 2 for me, and then you see here it says unallocated space, and it should start installing Windows 11 for you. So like any other OS, it will take a while to install itself. Just go grab a snack or do something else until it finishes. So after a while, it should open up the first impression setup, so you just go as it is, select whatever. So yeah, that's how you install Windows 11. If this video helped you guys, make sure to like and subscribe. It really motivates me to go further. See you and take care.